Hello, my name is Jaimie. I'm a PhD student at the University of Victoria. I'm part of the Digital Research Alliance EDIA Champions Program, and my mentor is Dr. Robert Giesman. My research is in quantum algorithms, and the title of my project is Advancing and Promoting Quantum Computing Using Alliance Digital Research Infrastructure to Current and Future Quantum Scientists. That's a mouthful, and I have to really break that down in terms of the different components of my project, but first some context. In quantum computing, there are several quantum programming languages and software development kits for the purpose of creating quantum algorithms and translating them into circuits that are run on quantum hardware. These are some of the widely used ones that have been developed by big tech companies like IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Xanadu. Quantum computing is about making use of the very unique properties of quantum mechanics to solve difficult problems more efficiently than classical computing. And it is expected to become a big game changer for complex problem solving that will impact all sectors and industries, much like AI is now, and also in conjunction with AI in the future. This comes with a responsibility to bring awareness of quantum to the public and, of course, educate the future generation of quantum scientists. Hence, governments have been developing national quantum strategies to propel quantum research and develop the future quantum workforce. In fact, 2025 has been named the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology by the United Nations. This is all great stuff, but as it stands now, the current generation of quantum computers can only run small quantum circuits, and they're also a bit noisy. Which means that in designing quantum algorithms, we usually run classical simulations of quantum circuits to make sure that they do what we want them to do. And because no classical computer is efficient at simulating quantum problems, running larger quantum circuits requires so much more computing power. This is why we use high-performance computing instead of running simulations locally. With that now, I can say that one part of my project is about hosting an online seminar with quantum researchers on the use of Alliance HPC resources for quantum programming. Another part of my project is quantum computing outreach at high schools, which is about quantum education, but also the need to motivate a more diverse representation of people to enter this field whilst they're still at an early stage in their career journey. To pull this all together, we're also doing a video which highlights how research groups in multiple disciplines use Alliance resources for their work at the University of Victoria. We also got to tour the data center here at UVic. So obviously, the sub-projects to my larger project are quite distinct from each other. More so in terms of the different communities of people I have to interact with, from high school students, teachers, university undergrads, grads and postdocs, professors, and of course the different organizations that are involved, like Let's Talk Science Canada, that are coordinating the outreach events, Black in Quantum, that's hosting one of the seminar sessions, the Digital Research Alliance personnel that gave training and actually allowed me to see the supercomputers in person and film, and UVic faculty who agreed to be interviewed for the videos. So I would say from Open Seeds, I've definitely gained greater awareness to the importance of the community and a greater consideration to inclusive project planning, especially as someone who's more on the independent side in the way that I work. I've definitely learned how to show the people that have onboarded onto my project how I've been planning and also ask them for feedback in the process. In addition to some really practical skills with writing good documentation for GitHub, like the README and roadmap, and about open licenses, which I knew nothing about. Finally, and this I think is the big thing, is having to think on a long-term vision for my project, which to be honest was not something I considered beyond the duration of the Alliance Champions program. But now, after hearing from all these examples of open leaders that were invited to talk in the cohort calls, I became inspired to really push this idea with quantum education a little further. So thank you to Open Seeds and certainly my mentor Robert for this amazing opportunity.